This is a preview of the subscribed animation, and this tutorial includes chapter timestamps which are provided just in case you're looking for specific information or content. Go to View and check Ruler and Guides and add vertical guides at 3 and 5, and then horizontal guides at 1, 2, and 2.5. Then color the top 2 horizontal guides. Now go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a triangle in the upper right hand corner and adjust the height and width to 0.3 and 0.3. Next, insert a rounded rectangle and adjust to 0.4 and 0.9. Next, insert a circle and adjust to 1 and 1. Next, insert another rounded rectangle and adjust to 0.8 and 2.8. Next, go to Insert, Icons, and type Hand, and insert the black hand, and then type Bell, and insert the black bell. Next, Format Objects. Color the blue triangle red and give the line width of 4. Color the rounded rectangle white and give the line width of 4. Color the circle red and give the line width of 4. Now, give the rounded rectangle a line width of 4. Type in the word subscribed and set the font to Caliber Body Bold 32. Duplicate with Command or Windows D. Change the bottom rounded rectangle text to the word subscribe and color it red. Now color the black hand blue and set the line width to 4. Duplicate the black bell with Command or Windows D. Change the color of the top bell to blue and give it a line width of 4. Now go to Arrange and Selection pane. Rename the objects by highlighting them on the slide and renaming them in the Selection pane. When complete, reorder the objects by selecting and dragging in the Selection pane to make sure that the objects don't overlap incorrectly on the slide. Now, create the red button by placing the white base on the red circle and then the red triangle over the white base. Then highlight and group the objects. When complete, go to the section pane and rename the new object Red Button. These are the 6 objects that will be used for the subscribed animation. Take a few moments to set them in the guides as demonstrated. As a suggestion, it might be helpful to align the blue hand to the bottom of the page. Now click on the Animations tab and then Animation pane in order to activate the Animations pane on the right side of the screen. Now go to Subscribe and Entrance Effect Random Bars. Next, go to blue hand, entrance effect, random bars, duration, after previous, property, vertical. Go back to the blue hand, path animation, arc, and after the preview, go to effect options, edit points, and make adjustments to the arc and delete the excess points. Change the duration to 1 second and start after previous. Now go to the red button, entrance effect, grow turn, after previous. Now go to subscribe, exit effect, random bars, sound, click with previous. Now cover subscribe with subscribed, and with subscribe highlighted, entrance effect, random bars with previous. Now go to the black bell, and the entrance effect is grow turn with previous. Now go to the red button, emphasis effect spin, smooth start, bounce end, after previous, and adjust duration to 1 second. Now we go to subscribed, emphasis effect is teeter with previous. Now we go to black bell, emphasis effect is teeter with previous. Now go to the blue hand, path animation, and arc. And after the preview, move the new arc a little bit to the right, go to effect options and edit points. Connect the front of the previous arc to the rear of the new arc, and adjust the arc as demonstrated and delete the excess points. Change the duration from 2 seconds to 1 second with previous. Now highlight the blue bell and cover the black bell. Entrance effect for the blue bell is random bars, property vertical, start after previous, and sound is chimes. Now highlight the blue hand, Exit effect is random bars. Property vertical after previous. Now highlight subscribed and the blue bell together. Exit effect is random bars. Now highlight the red button, path animation, lines. After the preview, drag the endpoint to the right of the blue bell. Duration 1 second. Start after previous. Now highlight the red button. Exit effect is random bars. Start time after previous. In order to prepare for green screen, go to Design, Format Background, and choose a dark green color. Then go to File, Export, choose your destination folder, choose your file type, and click Export. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see your file exporting. If you found this demonstration to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel.